Hello viewer, in Photoshop we have taken that shape, make the elliptical design around it. So we will have the other elliptical shape on that side. Change the pattern for it. Then again on that bottom side. So let's generate the further design into the center. We will have that one with the different shapes as well. I will generate these boxes on that space is available for the shapes. So that's it.